In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a uploading video on TikTok. Now, there's a few different ways how to do this, so follow along. So what I'm going to do is demonstrate by uploading a video. So I'm going to go ahead and open up TikTok. I'm in my profile. I'm going to click on the plus icon. Now from here, I'm going to go ahead and find that video. Okay, so for this demonstration, I'm going to upload a longer video because if you're trying to cancel a short video, the chances are you might not be able to do it. So I'll just start with the short video. So I'm going to click this and click next. Now, while it's uploading, I'm going to go next, post. You might have the option, there'll be a little cross there, just depending what region you're in, you'll be able to click the cross and that's going to cancel it. But I'm in Australia, I don't have that cross. Now I'm going to move on to the next way. Okay, so the next way is I'm going to add a video, but it's going to be a longer video, so it's going to give me a little bit more time to do this next method. So I'm going to click on the plus, click into my photos, videos. All right, so I'm going to add this longer video. Now I'm going to click next. Now I'm going to click next again. Now go ahead and add your description, all that stuff. I'm not going to bother. This is just purely for demonstration purposes. So now I'm going to post it. Now you see it's uploading. What we need to do is go back to the main screen, hold down TikTok, click on the I into app info. From here, go to storage. We need to do this kind of quick. Click on clear cache and clear data and then delete. Now this is going to delete your data from TikTok. But from here, what we can do is log back into TikTok using your Google account or email addresses, etc. Now, once we log in, that video is going to be cancelled because you've completely logged out and removed all your login stuff from TikTok.